Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to share a network drive using group policy. What I'm going to do on my test domain controller is I'm going to browse to this PC in C drive, and I'm going to make a folder called shared drives. Then I will right click on it, go to properties, select sharing, advanced sharing, and just share this folder. I'm then going to go down to permissions and grant everyone full permission. And grant everyone full control. I'll then click apply and OK and OK. I'll now go back to security, and I'm actually just going to remove this users group. And now I'm going to go into security, and I'm actually going to select edit and just add test client and do a check name, which is now verified with the domain name. Select OK, and we'll give him read and execute permissions. I'll then select apply, OK, and close. I'm now going to go into Windows. I'm now going to go to Start, Windows Administration Tools. I'm now going to go to Start, Windows Administration Tools. Find the Group Policy Management. And I'm going to create a policy under our Users group. I'll also just bring up Active Directory users and computers, just to confirm that our user is under the Users group, which it is. So I'll go back to Group Policy, right click on Users, and we'll call this Mapped Network Drives. I'll then right click on Map Network Drives, go to Edit, scroll down to Preferences, Windows Settings, and Drive Maps. I can then right click in the little white window, go to New Map Drives, and I'm going to just do a create and put in the location of the network drive. This computer name is //test-dc. So if we just select that, we can see our shared drives folder that we made. And if I click back in the address bar and just do a Control-C to copy it, I can then paste that in the location. I'm going to select Reconnect, and I'm going to give it a label as Shared Network Drive. We can select the drive letter we would like to use. So I'm going to put that on S for shared. I'm going to leave all the other options as default, and we'll just have a quick look in the common. And then I'm going to hit apply and OK. I'm just going to close this now, and I'm going to connect back into our test PC. If we just open up the File Explorer and go to this PC, we'll see we have no network drive available. So I'm going to do a Windows key R and type gp update /force. And we can now see that we have our network drive automatically mapped. So if you had one computer or 1,000 computers with that user in them, if you had one computer or 1,000 users in that same OU, all of them would get that same network drive. When it comes to home drives, we can just go to our test client and select Properties. and go to Profile. We actually have a spot here called Home Folder, which we can actually just create a home drive. Actually, I'm not going to do that in this video. That can be another one. So that's a simple way to map a network drive. Hopefully that helps. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.